How's it going?
Who are you? What do you want?
I'm Zachary with Neat.
Meat?
No, not meat. Neat.
Why would I want meat? I got plenty of meat.
Neat janitorial and cleaning.
What did you say?
Janitorial just means we'll clean your business for you.
Really?
Listen, the workplace can be stressful, right? You can't focus on every little thing.
What?
Let Neat change your trash for you.
Really?
Mop your floors, clean the bathrooms. You don't need to be worried about that. You need to be worried about your business. And when I said cleaning, I really refer to residential cleaning, which means your house.
Why would anyone hire you to clean their house? Just do it yourself.
For example, let's say you have a big house and you just don't have the time to clean everything, or you have little kids that make a mess everywhere. Let Neat do that for you. We'll vacuum all your carpets, we'll take your trash out, we'll clean your sinks and your showers. I'm telling you, people value their time. So after hearing all that, obviously, I'm sure you can see the value that...
Not everybody needs cleaning services,
Well,
but if you do, Neat is here for you.
first house down, all the rest to go.
Neat, professional cleaning services for your home and business. Call 563-293-3558.